before Rivenhall became a landmark for sustainable energy, this place already shaped our future. In 1945, from RAF Rivenhall, young men departed into uncertain skies during Operation Varsity and brought peace to the region. And yet, places and their landscapes evolve. What once stood at the heart of a defining chapter in history now serves future generations in a very different way. While preserving the past, Indaver continues the story by powering the future. Across Europe, we've spent decades transforming waste into valuable resources, helping communities move towards a more sustainable and circular future. And here at Rivenhall, one of the most advanced energy from waste facilities has seen the light of day. Every year, nearly 600,000 tons of residual waste arrive here. Waste that cannot be recycled and once would have been stored in landfill sites. Through engineering, precision and innovation, energy is recovered and returned to society. Enough electricity to power more than 125,700 homes. Enough resilience to strengthen regional energy independence. At a time when nations increasingly understand the importance of secure local energy, places like Rivenhall become more than infrastructure. They become an essential part of the community to preserve its future. Carefully embedded into the landscape itself, much of the facility was constructed deep within the ground. A vast engineered sink designed to blend into the surrounding countryside and remain part of the horizon. Across the site, historic listed buildings still stand as reminders of the generations who once lived and worked here. Among them, Woodhouse Farm and its historic brewhouse have been brought back to life using traditional materials and heritage restoration techniques. And beyond the steel, glass and turbines, nature continues to thrive. Thousands of trees and shrubs strengthen local biodiversity. Wildflowers attract pollinators. A roof covered in sedum creates habitats high above the ground. Protected ponds provide a safe habitat for endangered great-crested newts. And across the landscape, bat houses have been carefully installed to support local wildlife. Sustainability is not only about energy, it's about balance. Driven by the ideas, expertise and ambition of the people who work here each day, this place continues to evolve. Future projects will unlock even greater value from the resources recovered on site. Electricity, heat and captured carbon will help sustain greenhouses, while valuable metals and minerals find their way back into society. This is the circular economy in action. Here, waste is not the end of a journey, but the beginning of a new one. From those who once shaped this place through courage and sacrifice, to those building its future through vision and innovation, the story of Rivenhall continues, not as a memory of what was, but as a promise of what is still possible.